Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. Welcome to our weekly live trade session for today. So today is Tuesday, 21st of May 2019, and my name Nina Ibrahim. I will hosting for today live trade session until 10 a.m. as usual, which is about to start. So good morning, everyone. So let's see who with us today. I can see only 7 people. Yes, the market is soft and tomorrow we'll continue the holiday, another 1 day for Nuzul Quran on 22nd. So good morning for those who just joining us. Brotia, good morning. Nina. Good morning. Okay, how's the sound? It's good. The screen, can you see? So if it's okay, we will proceed to our live trade session. Let's see the market, the Silver Freight newsletter, the index, Dow, Nikkei, how it's uh, right. Good morning, Barajesh. So for those who just joining us, welcome to our weekly live trade session. So pre-session already started. If you can see on the screen, the SI station, we can see Iris, got correction, RGB, not much EFOS go down. So others still unchanged. So not much reaction. So how's the sounds? I'm waiting for you guys feedback. If the sound is okay, you can clearly hear my voice. On my second screen, I can see the screen and the voice is clear. So how about yours? How about your side? It's okay. So not much the reaction here. We see Ecovest got reaction. MRCB, DR, BICOM from Ken, Heng Yuan, my EG got reaction, Econ Berhad got reaction. Others unchanged. So guys, how about the sounds? Okay, it's clear. So for those who just joining us, welcome to our weekly live trade session. We just about to start now 8:48 a.m. already. A few minutes. So I'm still waiting for your feedback about the sound and if you can see the screen. So if everything okay, we will proceed to our live trade session. We read the preview of the last week market. So I'm still waiting for your feedback here. So yep, if anyone can give some feedback if the sound and the screen is okay, you can see, so I can proceed. For now, I not receive any feedback from you guys about the sound and the screen. So I'm waiting here. So for those who just joining us, welcome. Donald said okay. So I guess the sounds and the screen is okay, right, bro Donald? So Alice, if you got any problem, just types on the chat box. You can type, write the message, write your message there in the chat box so you can we can communicate. I can read your comment there. So okay, let us proceed to live trade session. So as usual, I will read last week performance of our bursa. We can see that the losers still outperform the gainers. The losers is 408, the gainers 342, with a value turnover is 1.459 billion, and KLCI up 6.17 point, close at 1605.36. So just to remind you guys, tomorrow is continue for the holiday for Nuzul Quran day. So today we're expecting the market still soft, continue to soft. So as usual, when the market is soft, on early session, we just monitor the movement. So for entry, usually we'll see at the second session or at the end of the nearly the market close, unless you can see the reaction based on the volume is quite high. So I guess only that. Okay. Let we proceed to Seafood Fred newsletter. So before this, I just want to read the headline here in Seafood Fred newsletter. So you can get here at fredtamnewsletter.com if you subscribe. So for today, KLSE outlook for 21st of May 2019. So US and China escalating war of words hurting global market cautious. So we stay in cautious mode. So for the detail, let's us read for in the attachment here, stock to wash for today. KLCI below Ichimoku cloud. It's clearly still bearish. So FBM medium cap index above Ichimoku cloud. Overall, it's still bullish, but we're monitoring the support level here. If the price break below the support level, the low, you want to use the cloud. So it's give you a signal that the trend changed to bearish. So for now, it's still supported at the cloud, still bullish. So this one is a small, medium and small cap index. So still same pattern above Ichimoku cloud. Overall, we're still bullish. So monitor support level here 1 to 600. And then this is the stock, the individual stock IWCT is still hold by above 0.6, 0.96 or higher, target 1.44. So monitor the support if you already in. So far price still supported at EMA 50 for IWCT. Okay, I need to lower the volume here. Okay. Okay, let's proceed to next stock is Ecovest. Buy above 0.875. It still hold if you already in. So support 0.77, target at 1.1 to 1.18 here. So this for Ecovest. And then Gadang here, whole flag breakout target 0.92, 1.20 here. Gadang flag breakout. Okay, Brochan got CCK entry price. Okay, we will look at CCK. Overall, is still hold. Support still maintain as a previous analysis that I post in the group. So we will see the stock later. So for now, we proceed first to Seafood Fred newsletter. Hold on, Brochan, we will see your stock later. Okay, Gadang. This one is whole flag breakout target at 0.92 and the next a higher target 1.2. So MFLA is overall is still whole wedge breakout by target at 1.14. This one Ulicop whole, it's still whole target at 1. MyEG also hold target at 1.82, higher target 2.46. So next is Gamuda. Overall same, still hold, rounding bottom target is at 4 for Gamuda. And then next we got here KGB. It's buy on dip. whole rounding bottom breakout already here. So overall still hold next target will be at 1.5 and then higher target will be 1.66 for KGB. MRCB also hold target at 1.15, a higher 1.3 for MRCB. Next, we got Top Glove here. That buy rounding bottom target at 5.5, 5 ringgit and then 6.35. Next is Harta. It's bullish engulfing here, rebound at the trend line. So it's a buy target at 5.64 here. And then Supermax also a clove counter hold target at 1.68 and then higher target 1.9. Ho Hub, it's a buy and hold if you already in. Next higher target will be 0.82 for Ho Hub. And then we got next is Human Need. So that buy triggered here. So target at 0.99. This one is FKLI. So short, waiting to short below 1.1562. Put stop above 1608. And then for FCPO, we stay aside, waiting for the clearest signal. So for the stock on hold, we got Kim Loon, Penta, GCB, KKB, Front Kenran, Hill, FGV, Hang Yuan, Buffers, Recton, Success, Scomnet, WCT, DRB, Highcom, and Hibiscus. So you can get this PDF file in CipherFred. For CipherFred newsletter in fredthumbnewsletter.com. So let's proceed. A few minutes before market open, I just okay. Dow is down 84.1 point. So Nikkei, you can see just now for the open 48. Now it's continue drop to 50. So we're expecting the Asia market is decline also. Here the headline of the CNBC, stock in Asia poised to decline on continued trade tension. So what as we will continue for the holiday tomorrow, so we're expecting our market continue soft. So stay cautious. If your stock hit your stop loss, just stay aside. Yep, I understand a lot of you also, a lot of our trader just stay aside, wait for the clearest signal, just see the market. So for aggressive trader, if you are already in, so monitor your stop loss level. So let's see the reaction here. We got Iris still same scope, RGB, V Solar here, and then MRCB, Harta, Top Glove, the glove counter got reaction. Okay, market already open. So I want to change to the top gainers and sort according to the volume. So early session, we just monitor the market Dayang with the volume got traction. So we just open the chart. So for Dayang, it's already go below the support level. For now, no entry yet. Just stay aside. Okay, okay, let me refresh first. Not much volume. FBM KSI up 3.3. Yep, the volume still small. Okay, let's see the CCK stock that Bro Chan got as we waiting for the market move for a while. Expecting it's still soft. Okay, Bro Chan, CCK it's same. If you buy based on the trend line breakout, it still holds support maintained at 0.570, 0.560. So you enter at 0.645 here. So like us, mark your entry price 0.45. Okay, you enter here. So I think you enter based on the TAD breakout before and then the price failed to close. Overall, it still holds support maintained here. So cut if price go below this level. So let's calculate your risk. Around 12%. So 12% is your risk. Target still maintain at the rounding bottom target 0.82, still same. So for now we're waiting again for the TAD signal above 0.65 for price to break out for further rally. For now it's still in the sideway for CCK. Okay, not much movement here mostly. So for early session sometimes we got like panic selling or we got false breakout, so that's why we just look see at early session, just 3 minute market off open. So let's monitor first, confirm with the volume if we got breakout or breakdown. So nothing much because tomorrow we'll continue hollow. So let's see your stock, guys. If you got any stock from okay, Franken. Franken, it's break out the historical price and then going down. So let's see. The volume still low, support still there, so hold. Your entry price 1.49. So you enter on the here. So I do not know your risk appetite as you only put your entry price. So uh, I will calculate based on the strong support here, 1.220. So is 17%, and you can use the trailing stop here to reduce position if you play big, because the strong support still maintained at 1.220 for Franken. So for now, volume still small. Hold, look see first. So this one is your trailing stop to reduce position. Target maintained at 1.57, 1.67, 1.83. based on the Fibonacci target. So from Ken, if you can see, it's creating the historical high. So the rounding bottom target already hit here. So now if price can stay above this support level, it will continue to go high, because now sky is no limit. We just calculate the target based on the Fibonacci direction. No historical resistance already. So monitor the support level for Franken 1.220 is the strong support. So it's depend on your risk appetite. If you cannot afford to lose more than 17, so reduce position using trailing stop 1.32. For now, monitor first volume still low on early session. So Bro James got DRP. So let's see DRP. And then in the meantime, we look. KSCI already retracing, go down. So monitor first. Nothing. My EG got reaction. Yong Tai VS Malton. The volume still low. Okay, we open my EG first. Then we go to next stock. Bro James stock. TRB just now. So we need to monitor the market also. So my EG is still hold for aggressive buy here. Yep, support still maintained at 1.3 here. Target 1.75, 1.82 is still hold. So my EG so far so good. Nissin also got reaction. So we open first. No rush as market is soft. So let's see. The candle is erratic. So already gap down. So just technical rebound. Stay aside. Yontai. Okay, let's open Yontai. Okay. Why? Okay. Okay, let's open Yontai. Yontai still consolidate here sideways. So we're not touching until it break above consolidation zone here. So just consolidate. So we stay aside. Okay, let's proceed to the RP Highcom. So the RP Highcom support here is holding hammer. So you already in at 1.99. $1.990. So let's mark your entry price here. So for the RB, we put here buy above 2.09. If for flag breakout, still don't have a re-entry signal. So as you already in, your support is the low of hammer 1.82, as hammer it's oversold also, if you can see. So this is your support level. So let's calculate your risk around 6%. So I guess still okay for 6%. So monitor this support level. So let us overlay Ichimoku Cloud. Overall, technically for entry, we want to see at least flat breakout, or for conservative buy above this level. So far so good. It's hold at the Ichimoku Cloud, Bro James, for the RP. So this is your support level 1.890. For re-entry, if anyone not in yet, there's no buy signal yet, so wait above 2.0 2.090. Or if we change to the fast turtle here above this side, 2.06. So I just mark as I just put alert to monitor first. So far it's holding. Okay, so far okay. Okay, Bro James, so far the RB is still holding. Monitor your support level here. Because the market is soft, that's why it's a bit slow. So Sis Irene, WCT. So guys, let's see your stock. But in the meantime, the volume is still low here for the RB. So monitor first. So WCT not enter yet. So you plan to re-enter, right? The volume's still low. Based on the signal here, already buy above 0.954 here, and price retracing. The volume still low. Overall is okay if you are aggressive and you want to go in, Sis Irene. This is your support level. Overall, WCT is holding at the trend line support here. So if you are aggressive and you want to go in, still can, the volume is low, so it's holding. Support still maintained here. So let calculate your risk first. Around 8%. So if you afford to lose around 8%, you can enter this stock. It's technically still hold. So first target still maintained at 1.190, the gap resistance. Break out this resistance, if you can see the gap here. So break out this level, only then the next target 1.3. So this one for WCT. Or Sis Irene, you want to see at around 10:30. So usually at early morning market we retrace, or you want to go in. So let's see around 10:30 if it's still whole. Overall it's still whole for WCT. If you're aggressive, yes, you can go in. Maybe you can go half first and look at 10:30 at second session to add more position according to your plan. So overall it's still whole. If you afford to lose uh, around 8%, so it's still holding for WCT. So let us overlay Ichimoku. As Silverfred also teach you how to use Ichimoku. So based on Ichimoku, yes, it's holding at the cloud. So far it's holding. It's nice support here, holding at the cloud. Just the cloud a bit thin, so the support is not so strong, but overall it's still hold for WCT. Based on the pattern, also it's hold at the trend line support. So now it's only you are aggressive or you are conservative. If conservative, it's okay for you to stay aside, just monitoring the market. Don't want to trade also can, but I guess you are aggressive because you are asking to enter, so it's okay to enter. support still there for WCT. Okay, let's see. VS Yongtai Humanit in Seafood Fried newsletter. Uh, yep, it's for aggressive trader. Overall, it's still downtrending and doing a technical rebound. Based on the candle, it's erratic candle, so very only for the very aggressive trader. If you can see the candle here, so for the pattern, it's like doing it based on what you see. So around 0.995 is the resistance, but I like to use the trend line also. Oh, let's change to the TD template. The volume still low. For this stock, only for aggressive trader. If you can see the candle is erratic. Got 4 price doji. So if you got any other stock, also you can monitor other stock. If you aggressive, you can consider the target is around the trend line resistance. So any rally only technical rebound to touch the trend line resistance for Humanit. So it's all supports here. The trailing, you can use the turtle. So this one only for aggressive trader. Bro James, all right, thank you. Okay, welcome, Bro James. So let's see what else moving. Asia got reaction, but it's nothing also. Not much. Market still go up, down, sideways. The value turnover still small. Based on the alert, it's retracing here. We can see only got Taliwa, Harta, and Top Glove got reaction. So let's open. Change to the TAD template. So guys, as market is soft, let's us monitor your stock. If you got any stock to monitor, just type on the chat box. We'll monitoring the stock reaction also in the top active and the top gainers. So far, not much reaction. Top glove is still whole. So support is still here, 0.570. So top glove is still there. The nearest target is 5.17. Next 5.33. Based on the pattern, if you can see, we still play in the consolidation here. Big consolidation here. So all the target based on the resistance and the strong resistance at before this create a double top here. So strong resistance at 6.25 here for top glove. So top glove is whole. Harta. Let's open. So Harta it's whole also. Flag breakout buy triggered here. Overall is still whole. So support is 4.73. You can use the trailing stop, but it's need to move when price move. Yep, the here around the flat breakout 4.6 4.940 here can be your resistance and support based on the Fibonacci also. So you can use this level as the nearest support for Harta if you already in Harta. Overall is still hold, but this Fibonacci need to move if price continue to go high. For now, we're maintaining using this high first. Okay, and then this one, the resistance can use as support. So I just mark here. Uh, 4.94. Overall, it's still hold Harta. So target maintain at the rounding bottom, small rounding bottom here. So guys, for those who just joining us, welcome to our weekly live trade session. Now 9:22, only 22 minutes. Market opens. Market still soft. Not much reaction here. So if your stock is still holding, still hold. For re-entry, usually we will see around second session, 10:30 or around market close, as tomorrow the continue holiday for Nuzul Quran. So I want to scan for the TAD buy, but I guess nothing. My alert also not ringing any breakout. So based on the volume here, we got LHI, Focus, SP, SCH, and this stock is not familiar. The name also, of course. The candle is it's still new. Oops. It still new, only 3 days traded. Focus SP. So for the new stock, it's hard to use the technical forecasting. We need more data. So this one, the pattern of the candle, if you can see, it's like Sikat Kutu, we can see. So if you see this pattern of candle, just stay aside, no need to touch. And then SCH, I just opened the stock to show you guys as it triggered in the breakout, but you learn technical as if the stock is downtrend, we no need for us to touch. If the stock is in sideway, also we don't touch. If the stock got erratic candle and cannot read the candles too organized like this, or got chicken pox or sikat kutu, so also we not touch that stock. So nothing for breakout. Let's see for the turtle cell if any support is continued to break. For the turtle breakout also is not confirmed sell, but it's based on your risk appetite, because we got dark and atom support also. So we got here, if you can see LHI just now in the turtle breakout and now in the turtle sell. So because the candle still new, only 3 days traded, so the signal still not valid. So we got Barakah here, we got Teo Seong here. So Barakah, I think neither of you trade. So break already this support level, It trigger a sell, so the candle also erratic, so cannot break descending channel. So we got a sale here. So guys, if you got any stock to monitor, just type on the chat box. In the meantime, I just monitoring other stocks. So this one already going down, so hit the target here, cannot stay above 1.42 here, so strong support is 1.06 overall. For the stop loss already hit, and this is last defend. If you stay in To Seng here, you can see the candle is erratic. So based on the technical, if you can see the rounding bottom here already hit the target, so the price going down. If break this support, the resistance and support here, so this is your last defense if you still in this stock. So this one also not familiar, ARBB. Usually yep, you can see the candle here erratic, so just stay aside. On the aggressive trader MI, the volume still low. Usually we see volume 4,000 and above. So only my EG here got reaction, and overall my EG is whole. Just open my EG. Yep, my EG so far so good. Still whole above the support, the flag breakout, the target maintained here. Orion is penny stock. So you can see the losers is outperformed gainers here. The losers 266 and the gainers only 118 here. FBM KSI up 3.28. The volume still soft today. It's still soft market. Only 28 minutes market open. Nothing yet. Just monitor your individual stock. Monitor your support level. Nothing. So let's see. GBGAQRS is the most 7% going down. So yep, it's already triggered. The spinning bottom here not close above, so it testing again the low. No re-entry for GBGQRS. Here support. If any of you still in GAQRS, your support is 1.21 is the last. So let's put Ichimoku. Based on the TAD already triggered a sell. So based on the cloud for the long-term trader, it's a hold. And the support, the last defense is around 1.210 here. So for GBGQRS, it's already hit the gap here. Yep, we inform in the group. It's already hit here, and for the buy, I already mentioned to you guys is above 1.540, because we want to see the gap is usually can use as your target. So if the gap cannot be break, so the price will going down. So far, if you stay in, this is your support level, or you can use the cloud support here for the long-term trader. So for now, no re-entry yet for GB GQRS. We wait first. If you are aggressive, also at least wait for the pattern breakout. If this support can hold, we wait for the wedge here breakout. For the conservative, monitor above 1.540. So, Bro Imran, hi Nina, can you comment on MFLA? So let's see MFLA. Before this, it's sideways. Let's open MFLA. MFLA is holding here. This one is not confirmed yet. That's why for the aggressive trader, support is still here. I put 0.715. Overall is still hold. This one is only possibilities but not confirmed yet unless 0.715 is broken. So 0.715 is your support level if you already in MFLA. Overall is still whole. You can see it's consolidating also. So for chart pattern is subjective. You can see it's consolidating in the triangle. You can see head and shoulders here, but for head and shoulders it will confirm if break below neckline. So for now it's still consolidating here. Just monitor for the support here. If the support levels break, so just go out first. For now it's still hold. It's sideways for MFLA, waiting for the Q quarter report, I think. So let's see if you got if we got nice result. So probably it's can further rally. Overall in the long term it's a rounding bottom here. The target is or here already hit. Second is 0.95 and 1.07. So Bro Imran, I'm not sure you already in or not. So if in, just monitor this support level. Overall is still hold. The cloud support is still there. The volume is retracing, so in the sideways. So further buy we triggered above 0.745. So if price can break above this level, this pattern is void. So this pattern means this pattern is not valid already if price can break above 0.795. For now, I maintain this pattern first, and so cut below this level. If price go above this level 0.795, head and shoulders not valid, and target maintain here. So you can use resistance here, the nearest second target for the rounding bottom. Okay, Pro Imran. Oh, you already in 0.73. Here. So 73. 73. 73. So it's okay. I think your support is near around 2 to 3%. So monitor your support level. So far it's still holding its sideways. So okay. So MFLA we focus also MFLA depth CCK because usually in Hari Raya it got reaction, but as market itself, we need to monitor the support level also. And then as mentioned in the Civil Freight newsletter, we got construction and glove, right? Yep, glove, because the trade war between US and Chinese. So as forecasted, the glove sector will benefit. So let's also monitor Supermac, Top Glove for the glove counter. Okay, let's see glove counter here. So this is glove counter. If you want to put in your portfolio, Harta, Kosan, Top Glove, Comfort, Supermac, Rubber, Raperex here, Capels and OCR. So okay, I want to share with you guys also, if you want to see any other, where okay, indexes here. So if you want to see, go to channel Bursa indexes here, so you can see the component stock in construction. For example, we focus in construction, so you can open in the component stock construction. This one is consumer. In the SI session, we got this list: plantation, healthcare, financial, property, technology. So for example, we open construction, so we got the list of the construction stock here. So if we said, okay, we focus on construction, so you can see this. If you stock, you can sort based on the volume, sort based on according to the percent change, to see what stock in the construction moving. So based on this list, not all the component here got is like glove don't have, so you need to make your own portfolio. So that's why in my portfolio I got a few of the this one also. So this one is important for you guys to see what sector being placed, so you want to see which stock you need to touch. Okay, so far 9:38 a.m. because the market itself, nothing to comment also. I just see your stock here. If you got any to monitor, we don't have any. So if you got any question about the technical analysis, how to forecast also, just ask in the telegram, in the chat box. Sorry, not telegram. So for now, telegram, we will continue to monitor after the live trade session. Nothing. So nothing, guys. Okay, I just close this one first. Yep, the index is up, but market breadth is negative for now and soft. So guys, if you got any stock, just mention in the chat box. We will see together. So I know you guys may stay aside also in this soft market, but a few of the stock we can consider to monitor. So this one, what else? WCT, just now my EG, it's holding. Human 8 for aggressive trader. Top Glove holding. Okay, nothing. So okay, I scan for the Okay, we're just waiting if we can scan, but usually it's hard to scan. Still processing. So for now, just monitor your support level. Cannot. Bro Imran. Can Bro Imran just type on the chat box? We will see together. I also no stock to monitor as market is soft. We just monitor previous stock, but um yep, be aware of the support level because the market is soft. Bro Imran at Vicon. Oops. Oh, this one already break below the trend line support here. Break in run, you already in or how? So let overlay with the Ichimoku if got the cloud support for long-term support. Based on the manual, it's already go below support level. Entry was 0.47. Oh, your entry price is here. Yep. So the support already break below this support level 4. So you should cut below this level. So if you not cut yet, the trend line support also break. So okay, let's change to week. Of course, the weekly is holding at the total here, and the support will too far below, but you can see overall in the weekly also the trend still downtrending. So if you play big, what I can suggest to you, reduce your position and cut if price go below the support level. We got 0.36 here. One more support level. Now the price is here. 5% more, but based on your entry price is already 22. It's a big risk. So what I can suggest to you, reduce position first. Yes, you can see the volume here is low. If you afford to lose more, so this is your next support here. Your last defense. But technically, as it already go below the trend line support, 360, reduce position. We don't want, it's like first support already break, you still hold. The second support, the trend line support break, still hold. And then now you waiting this support. If this support break, you wait for the next support. So it's not the way. So you need to follow your plan. If your plan use the trend line support, for example, so if the price go below trend line support, just cut first. So now this is your support level 0.360. So if this support level cannot hold, I suggest exit. So for now, you can reduce position as few support level already broken. no player also, only 500 volume here. So exit if price go below 3.6. Okay, Bro Imran. This consolidation also break. So some people they use chart pattern. That's why if the price continue up, we put the trailing stop. Sample it's swing low, so we use this support. So the price go up again, and then we trace here. So we use this low as the support. So the price go up again and retrace. So now we use this low as the support. So the price here go up and then not break the support, it still hold. And then price go up and then now here price break this support. So using the basic trailing stop also we will go up here based on this level, because the swing low price is uh, break below that level. So we should, uh, if you swing also you take profit above this level. If price go below this here, so you take profit here or you cut here. Using this swing low is the easiest to see the support level. So now this is your support level. Okay. Okay, Bro Imran, next time you can use that swing also. The For the short term, you can use 1 2 bus stop, but usually 1 2 bus stop we use if the price um go up too sharp. Okay, it's nothing like this. The price go up too sharp like this, so we use 1 2 bus stop. But if the price got swing, usually you can use the low as the support, and then maybe it will go sideways, so we can use, still can use the swing. But if price is going too fast in more than 90 degree, so we use 1 2 bus stop. The easiest 1 2 bus stop is change to the fast turtle. So this one I cannot show you the example because the price not too sharp. Okay, let's see. Now also, what the stock that the price go up fast? Mm, Forgot what is what. Mm, this one is not too sharp, but can consider. But it's not too sharp. This one we prefer like 90 degree. So we use 1 2 bus stop to exit. So 1 2 bus stop, if you use the fast turtle, is actually to put the trailing stop. If the price is in 45 degree, uh, we can use the swing low, because the price when you use the fast turtle is like this, it will trigger the sell, but actually in the sideway. So you will cut early because actually the price just still in the 45 degrees. So if in 60 degree sharp the rally, so you can use the fast turtle. It's like this. The 90 degree, the price go up too strong, too fast. So and not safe. So guys, if you got any question, pretend to your stock, just type on the chat box. We'll still got a few minutes now, 9:50. Yep, the market is soft, nothing to comment or no re-entry signal yet. We just monitor previous stock. I just see my EG got reaction, but it's still holding. So the rest, nothing yet. Mhm. So guys, if you don't have any question, so I will see the reaction of the top gainers here. We got CMB, Top Glove, Human in, Focus SP, Malton. Malton got reaction. Like open the chart, I not remember the pattern. Malton also erratic here. So change, oops, change to so Malton here. If you're aggressive, the support is here, but TED already sell, so it's not wrong for you to sell based on the TAD, based on the swing low. This is your support level. Oops, it's moving. So for now, no re-entry yet. It got a bit reaction here. The volume here is go down, means the volume retrace when the price retrace overall is still whole. But if you are aggressive, if you still hold Malton, so this support level is still holding based on the swing low. It's nearly hit the rounding bottom target actually, but 795. So rounding bottom target is here. For now, this is your support level. So no re-entry yet for Malton. We got a big reaction here. Not yet, not yet. Okay. Nothing, just monitor. So dialogue. Okay, let's open dialogue. A few like banking, broker house, pay attention on dialogues. But if you can see the pattern of the candle a bit erratic, so it's not for the trader, it's more to holding stock. Is if you can see this pattern, the price here on 15 May try to break above this pattern and already hit the target 3.42 and then fail to stay above this level. It's close below. And now if you already buy above this pattern breakout, so you can use the strong, of course, the pattern support here, but you can use the gap also here as your support level. So for dialogue, target still, if price can hold above this level, the consolidation zone here, so target still maintain 3.42 and 3.58 here for dialogue. Just it's like heavy stock. It's not meant for you to trade for short term. If you can see, it's a heavy stock. So if you buy on the breakout also, your reward is around 6% the Fibonacci 200 here, but your risk is not worth to your reward also 7. So that's why I not mention dialogue in the TAD stock alert. But if you want, you already in, you interested because a few broker houses pay attention on dialogue. So this is target, just the risk is not the risk reward is not too, yep, is not worth to take. So you can use 1 to bus stop, but uh, this support is more strong support, because if you can see, it's too it's heavy stock, is erratic, it's swing here. So if you use too near the support, also ill tendency to hit is high. So that's why I not put in the TAD stock alert also. Mitra and GFM still hold. Okay, let's see Mitra. Okay, this is your last support level, the neckline support here. So now it's consolidate here. If you can see, yes, the TAD already give a sell here. So if you in or still holding, this is your cut loss level, the neckline, because I can see one strong support is around this neckline. So you can use that level. So let's overlay Ichimoku to give more confirmation. So it's consolidate here. Sometime when the price consolidate, you can see the price will break below the Ichimoku cloud and just play around the Ichimoku cloud when price is consolidate. So for now, your last defense is line support 0.335 for Mitra. And then GFM. Okay, Bro Peter, this is your last support level. And GFM. GFM already triggered stop loss level here, already go below the pattern here, pattern support. Yes, it's oversold, no re-entry yet. Yes, it's already triggered the stop loss, already triggered the cut loss level here. So yep, you can consider to cut GFM and wait for re-entry. You can see the pattern also erratic here for GFM. Okay, Bro Peter. For Mitra, your last support is what, 0.335 if I'm not mistaken just now. For GFM, you can consider to cut. Yep, 335. So the target here he hit, and the next target based on the chart pattern 0.475 still maintained as if this neckline still supported. So let's see WCT. We already reviewed WCT before, I think, Bro Rajesh. WCT is still holding. So if you are aggressive, you want to go in, yes, you still consider to go in. Your support is here. So if you afford to lose, around 8 to 7%, 8 lah, because we want below this price, right? It's not at the price. If price holding at 0.7870, it's still okay. But if price go below 0.870 or lower, want to bit lower, so consider to cut. So your risk need to more than the support. So if the support around 7, so around 8 to 9 is your risk 8. So if you're aggressive, yes, still holding. This trend line support is holding. But if you are conservative, uh the TAD here already triggered a sell, so you may stay aside only for aggressive trader. WCT, the nearest target maintained at 1.190. Based on the Ichimoku, also it's holding. So that's WTC. Oh, Bro Rajesh already entered at 0.96. So let's mark your entry point and calculate your risk. 0.960 here. So your risk, oops, here. Okay. So your risk around, oops, sorry. Around 10 to 11, because below this level. So around 10 to 11 is your risk. Okay, Bro Rajesh, cut below 0.87 if price go below that level. So overall it's still hold for WCT. It's holding at the trend line support, it's holding at the cloud support for now. So okay guys, if you don't have any stock to monitor, let's us recap what happened to our bursa today on 21st of May 2019. Now 10:03 a.m. FBM KSI so far up 5.26. If you want to see what is the stock, oops, what is the stock contribute to the market today, we can see RHP, Top Glove, Dialog. This is top 3. So our stock FBM KSI up based on that stock. Dialog, RHP, Top Glove up 5 point, now 6.1. So the value turnover still soft market 250.9 million. Here the losers still outperform the gainers. The losers 326, the gainers 142, unchanged 1442. So yeah, the market still soft, just monitoring. If you are conservative, you may stay aside, nothing uh to see. We just holding, we got direction my EG, still holding, got direction, so still holding. So others just monitor the support level. If not go below the support level, so it's still okay. We'll monitor around 10:30 or on the second session, or usually in the soft market we will see at the end of the day to enter. We want to see the market stable first. So just to remind you guys again, tomorrow is Bursa we close full day for Nuzul Quran holiday. So take note that one. So expecting the market continue soft today. So I think, oh, Bro Roslan, one more Taliwak. Okay. We go to Taliwak and then we will close. So how are you, Bro Roslan? Taliwak. Yeah. Okay, let's go. One more, Bro Roslan, Taliwak. Okay, Bro Roslan, overall Taliwak here in the rounding bottom pattern, support here, you can use the clouds, the strong support is 9, so I just want to update this support level. Nearly hit the target, so the target rounding bottom is 1.06 here. So yep, the strong support. Wait, this one 92. You can use the low here, and then the cloud support here 7.5 and 7. Okay, let I update the support level for Taliwak. Hmm. 901. Use the so strong support still maintained at 0.880. The nearest is 0.910 based on the turtle. So this support 0.880 also confluence with the it's a strong support. If you can see, it's confluent with the train line, with the cloud support. So quite strong support here, 0.880. Here. So for Taliwak, nearly hit the target already, 1.060. So it's just retracing here for re-entry. If you plan to go in, wait for the flag breakout. So can monitor above this level, but calculate the risk and reward. 0.95 lah. I just put alert, but you need to calculate. I'm not sure you already in or not, Bro Roslan. If you not in yet, monitor for the flat breakout, so around 11% reward. And then if break that level, you can use the nearest one, the support around 5%, 0.91. So for now, nothing yet. At least break for the flight is re-entry. So remember, this is the target 1.060 because the pattern is rounding bottom. Yeah. Okay, Bro Roslan. Okay, monitor for the flag breakout. Okay, I guess we will end our live trade session for today. If you got any question, we can still communicate in the Telegram group. So on behalf of F1 Academy and Tech System, I'd like to thank you so much for joining our live trade session for today. So we will see you guys next week, Tuesday. So okay, remember tomorrow is Bursa we close for food day. So yeah, see you guys in the Telegram group. Bye guys.